Hope you are doing okay. It is Victor and you are watching Visual Sharks. So, you made a solid and you don't know how to change its color. If you are new, you might have probably made this mistake of creating a new solid and setting a custom color. And let me tell you an easy way. Select your solid and go in the Effects and Preset menu. Select Fill and put it on your solid layer. And there you go. You can set a custom color to your solid. I hope you learned something new today. If you have any questions regarding it or you want to learn something new, comment down below. Take care and I'll meet you in the next one.